is breaking me up. You know I feel the change in times. It's shaking my life. It's helping me to realize that maybe I was a fool to fall in love with you, but I am. I still am.
When he looks into my eyes, what does he see? Is it her or is it me? Is it me?
And if she doesn't love me, why does she say those things she said? 'Cause if she doesn't love me, no, no, shouldn't she just be on her way? And if she doesn't love me or want me or need me just the same, if she doesn't love me, am I the one to blame?